Okay, I like how you're sitting quietly. Connor, we may not play with each other during class. Today we're going to go over 3-digit adding and subtracting with borrowing and regrouping. We all know how to do this, but sometimes they're mixed up, and it seems like it's a little harder because instead of just adding or subtracting, we have to do that.
112.
That's right, and you can see by looking at your manipulatives that 100 is 10 tenths, and 10 is 10 ones. I have 1,000 put away right now, but you can use it after class. Here we go, Connor.
Some
100, some tens, and some ones.
It was cute.
They are put away right now, but I will let you play with them after class. So when the problems are mixed up, it can be a little overwhelming, but we're going to get through it together. I'm going to work one addition and one subtraction on the board. That's okay.
My head.
And then we're going to try. I know you have a headache, Logan, so if you just listen quietly, you can rest, okay? And then you go. Yes, I will try to talk very quietly so that we don't bother your headache. Dominic, be quiet. Can you read me the first problem? Problem number 1?
Problem number 1 is 36, 9.
369 plus or minus? Plus how much?
3, 2, 4.
Are you sure? 300?
1, 5, 6, yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, so whenever we start adding, we always start on the right, correct? Is that right or wrong?
Miss William, did you make it oops? You took off the 4. It's not
Okay, thank you, Dominic. We'll correct that. So where do we start, Carter?
Start on the right.
That's right, Dominic. Carter, where do we start? Do we start on the left or the right? Where do we start? Start on the right. So 9 plus 4, you can draw your touch points if you like to. You can count up from 9 because it's the bigger number, right? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we cannot write 13 because it is 2 digits. So which number goes in the ones column? Yes.
3.
That's correct, 3. And what number goes in the tens column? We used the 3. What's left?
1.
We have 1 10, so it goes in the tens column. Now we need to add 1 plus 6 plus 2. You think you know? What is it?
It's 9.
9 is correct. Then when we move to the hundreds place, we have 4 plus 3. Plug in, what's 4 plus 3?
7.
Correct, it's 7. So the answer is 793. Did anybody not get 793?
I
You
did.
got 793 and you did? Good job. Carter, did you write your answer down? Show me. No, look. You want me to hold the cube so you can write? That's right. 9 plus 4 was?
15.
That's right. What goes in the ones place? What goes in the tens? 1. Correct. 1 plus 6 plus 2?
Plus 6. 1 plus 6. 2 plus 2 equals 9.
Correct. Now the hundreds. What's 4 plus 3?
7.
Correct. Now your answer matches. Number 2 is a subtraction problem. I'm so happy too. Can you read me the problem, Dominic?
It's 819.
Yes. Yes. We're going to do one more problem. We're going to do a subtraction, and you're going to try one on your own. So follow along on the board. You said 819 plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus, what's the bottom number?
2, 2.
202?
Yeah.
202?
No, it's an 8. 2,
I'm
8.
confused.
You know those double digits? It's 2, 8, 2.
Good job. What
Oh,
are you confused about?
mine.
It's subtraction now. We switch, and that can be tricky. But whenever we're doing subtraction with more than one digit, we still start on the right. But we need to ask a question. Everybody touch the ones place in this problem. Do you see the ones place? It looks like this. This is where we start. Is there more on the top or more on the floor?
More on the floor.
More on the floor. 2 is more than 9, or is it less?
9!
9 is more. So there's more on the top. No need to stop. We can just subtract. Almost. Let's count back from 9. 9, 8, 7. Perfect. Now when we move to the tens place, is there more on the top or more on the floor?
More on the floor.
More on the floor. So we're going to go next door to the hundreds place and we're going to borrow 10 more.
So we walk out the 8.
That's right. And now it's a 7. We borrowed a 100 and we're giving it to the 10. So now we have 11 minus 8. Let's count back from 11.
11,
10, 9,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Great job.
So 3 goes in the tens place. Now at the hundreds place, we have 7 minus 2. More on the top or more on the floor, Carter? More on the top or more on the floor?
Way to go.
More on the top. No need to stop. 7 minus 2 is 7. 6, 5.
No.
If you got 537, touch your nose.
37.
Did you get 537?
I
That's okay. We can help. Okay, it looks like here's where we got mixed up. Can I borrow your pencil? You're working so hard for somebody that has a headache. The 7 just went down here instead of on the top. That's just an easy fix. No big deal. Now, whenever we do 1 minus 8, there's more on the floor. So we say, more on the floor, go next door, and borrow 10 more. So then the 8 turns into the 7. And we carry the 1. So now 1 plus 1, 10.
Okay, I just done it this.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now let's do 7 minus 2. On the top, 7 to stop. 7, 6, 5, 37.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, does anybody have any questions before you practice one by yourself?
Did I do this one wrong too? Okay, I'm
You did
done.
that all the way correct. I want you to try to do this addition
Great
problem
job.
by yourself, and then we will be finished. We'll start on the one with addition. Raise your hand if you need help. I want you to do this problem by yourself.
And then I can be done.
This problem with no talking, and then you can be done. Carter, I need you to do this addition
Let's
problem.
go. I'm done.
Carter, look at me. Would you like the 1,000 cube? Yes. Then I need you to do this problem with no talking. When you're finished, raise one hand. Finished? Good. Keep going.
Done. I'm done.
Wonderful. I'll come check it. Dominic, I need you to do the problem on your paper, not on the board. You can do some on the board after. Great job, Morgan. I'm going to give you a reward and you can rest. I'm so sorry you got a headache. It's gone. I'm glad it's all the way to the Thank you for working so hard. Would you like to lay on the beanbag? Or use a Chromebook?
So would like to play the math.
Okay. So we can get a Chromebook logged in as soon as these other boys are finished on it. Did you finish your addition problem? Where do you start at? Left or right? That's right. You know how to do this. Carter, did you finish? you chose the 1,000 cube for reward, correct? On the picnic table, you may take my whole bucket. Thank you for working so hard. All right, 906. Great job. Would you like to play some full math games?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, let's get the Chromebooks logged in. We're working so hard.
I did it when I had it.
Oh, no, I don't think so.